In front of me is TCL NXTpaper 11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now to activate Clipboard, click on it at the top and use this switcher at the top right corner. Then go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. If you want to use Clipboard, just copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, but within an hour, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. If you want to use it after an hour, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, hold it and tap on Pin. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, you can either swipe it to the right or hold it and click on Delete button. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!